and pack all items needed for easy assembly. Place the two slat hooks of the bedboard on the upright columns and lock them in place. Position the mattress cover with the opening upwards and towards the head sponge mat. The first step is to install the middle sponge mat near the foot. The second step is to install the other sponge mat in the center. Finally, install the head and foot sponge mats on both sides of the bed. The IV pole can be installed at all four corners. Wire storage hooks. Assembly complete. Here is the final look.